Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss about that today problem of the day, uh, uh, that is a filling bucket. Okay, you have given a bucket of capacity n liter and you have to be determined that how many way you can fill it using a two bottle of capacity 1 liter and 2 liter only. Your answer should be that modulo 10 to the power 8. I hope you all understood that problem very well. Let us discuss about that problem example. You have given a capacity of n is equal to 3, n is equal to 3, and by the help of these two bottle like 1 and 2, you have to fill this bucket and n is equal to 3. Okay, so how we can, you can fill this bucket by these three way. Firstly, you can use that a 1 liter bottle and fill that 3 time 1 1 1, so you can fill that this bucket. Either you can use that 1 liter bottle at a one time and 2 liter bottle at one time, so you can fill this bottle, so you can fill this bucket. Okay, and either you can, firstly you can use that a 2 liter bottle and a 1 liter bottle. Okay, these two are distinct, not same. These two way it is a not same, because of that in this way we are using a 1 liter bottle first and second liter bottle at second time, and in this way we are using a second liter bottle at first time and 1 liter bottle at second time. So how we can solve it? This is a very simple problem. If we have learned about that Fibonacci series, so you can simply ask. No need to be that worry about it. That how we can solve it. You have a given just like f is equal to 3. Just like a function you have given, you have to be make a function when f is equal to 3. Take a bucket capacity that is n is equal to 3. That is n is equal to 3. Okay. So what you will do when you have to be a base case? What would be our base case? When n is equal to 0, so our answer is equal to 0. Our answer is equal to 0 because we have our answer is equal to 1. Our answer is equal to 1, because of that we have to be only one way. So, and when n is equal to 1, so what you will do, you will simply return that 1. You can use that 1 liter bottle and fill it of n is equal to 1. I hope you all understood very well. Okay, so you can make a recursion when we will decrease that one time, so our function will be at a 2. Okay, when we will decreasement by the 2 time by the help of a 2 liter bottle, uh, fill this bucket f equal to 3, so our requirement is a 1. Our requirement of a function is 1. So when we will use that f is equal to 2, so we have a two way. Just like firstly at a, we can use that 1 liter bottle at one time and 2 liter bottle at one time, so he can fill it. At this condition he can fill it, and in this condition we have required a 1 liter bottle again. Okay, when n is equal to 1, so what you will do, you will simply return 1. You will simply return 1. Simply return 1. Okay, simply return 1. And when f is equal to 0, so you can simply return 1. So when you will add it, when you will sum it, these two, so what do you have to get it? You have to get it at 2. Okay, and this is simply return that f is equal to 1, so that is written that our 1. Okay, so at here it is written 2, and at here it is written 1. So what we will get it, you can simply get it that f is equal to 3. Okay, so our answer is equal to 3. I hope you all understood very well. All are understood very well. But y- but this process you have got a time limit exceed. Why? Because we are we are solving again and again, just like again and again solving that a same case, that a same condition. Here f at f equal to 1 we are solving, and here f at f equal to 1, so we are again solving. So this is unnecessary. So we got a TLE. So how we can optimize it? You can simply use that. You can simply use that by for the TLE. For the TLE, you can simply use that a memoization. Memoization. Okay. So what you will do? You will simply make a a variable vector for n is equal to 3. For n is equal to 3, 0, 1, g, that is 0, that is 1, that is 2, that is 3, that is 4. For the length is equal to n plus 1. Okay. And what you will do when you have to be solving this condition? So you firstly we have initialized by that by minus 1. Firstly our vector initialized by the minus 1, by the minus 1. Okay. And when we have to be solving, we have to be update our vector, our vector. How? We will just like using when f is equal to 0, what we will do? We will simply return 0. So we will simply update our value, that is 1. When f is equal to 1, what we will do? We will simply update by the 1. Okay. When f is equal to 2, so sum of f1 and f0, that is 2, so update by this value 2. Okay. When f is equal to 3, so what we will do? We will sum of that is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, that is 3, that is 3. Okay. So this is our answer. So you can return it. So you can return it. Okay. You can return it. So this is our DP. And but you can again get a time limit exceed at this time. Okay. So what you will do? We will simply make a two variable, that is previous one and previous two. If you have not understood this concept, so I am please recommended to you, go and watch that our Fibonacci series problem, so you can easily understand this way. Previous 2 is equal to 1 and previous 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Is equal to 1. So previous 1 is equal to 1, that is as our that like it f at f is equal to 0, that is previous 2, and previous 1 at f is equal to 1, that is previous 1. Okay. So this is our basic, that is our base case. Okay. That is our base case. So what we will do? We will simply run a for loop till f till I is equal to 2 to I is equal to 2 to n. Okay. And each and every time we will update our current. We will update our current by this the help of previous value, previous two value, previous two value. Okay. At the end we will return previous one. Why? Because of that we have to be simply check it that when we will return that dp of n, when we will return that dp of n plus 1, so what we will get? What we will get? N plus 1. So what we will get? We will get that minus 1. Okay. And dp of n, what we will get? We will simply get our answer. Our answer. That is our answer. Okay. So you have to be simply return that our previous one, that is storing our resultant answer. And this is working very fine. I hope you all are understood that a logic. So how we can solve it? What will be our code? Let us discuss about that code. Okay. So basically this is our a DP, that's like a memoization case, and here are the tabulation process. Okay, so here are the tabulation process where previous 1 is equal to 1 and previous 2 is equal to 1 and previous 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so our loop from I is equal to 2 to n. Okay, and each and every time we will update that curve by the help of previous two value divided by modulo of mode. Okay, why? Because of that our requirement, that is 10 to the power 8. Okay, and previous one divided by modulo of mode. Why? Because of that, when we will update our current by the mode of, that is, so suppose of that previous one value will be updated by that some very large number, just like is 1117124. So how we can optimize? We can optimize by the help of just like 0 0 0. Okay, so how we can optimize that? We can divide by the 10 to the power 8. I hope you all understood very well. So our previous one should be updated by that modulo of mode. Okay, I hope you all understood very well. All are understood very well. That is, so our previous one is equal to cur and return our previous one. Okay, so this logic is working fine. So you can check it. Our expected value and our output is same. Here is the code of a C++, and this is the code of a Java. Nothing is changed. This is a tabulation process. Nothing is changed. So this is working very fine. You can check it. It is working very fine. I hope you all are understood very well. If you have any problem, so please comment on my channel. Please like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.